Here are the 6 types of content that will get you monetized very fast on social media. Save this video because you are going to need it in the future. Number one type of content that will get you monetized very fast on social media is what we call the lifestyle content. Your lifestyle. It will get you monetized quickly. Social media is an entertainment ground. In as much as people take it as their business, it is still fundamentally an entertainment ground. Now, as a popular face, people want to know what is happening in your life. They want to know what you are doing, how you are going about your day, what you achieved today. If you make videos about your lifestyle, you wake up in the morning, the things you do, the market you go to, your office, the people you take care of, the things you accomplish for that day, this type of content, you keep posting them consistently. It's only a matter of time before your page gets monetized fast, quickly. Now, that was the first type of content I just mentioned. Now, the second type of content that will get you monetized very fast on social media is the comedy content. Now, not everybody has the knack, or not everybody has, the what's the right word? Remind me the right word. Not everybody has the right talent to be a comedian. Comedian is purely based on talent. It's not what you learn. You don't learn it from anywhere. Okay. If you are a comedian, it's only a matter of time before your page, your channels, your accounts get monetized across all social media. Go and look at every comedian and knows what they are doing. They are doing very well and their pages are making a lot of money. Okay, that was the second type of content that will get you monetized fast. Now, the third type of content that will get you monetized very, very fast on social media is the hairstylist content. Now, recently, this hairstylist stuff just kind of exploded on social media. It exploded. Okay, so if you're a hairstylist, you're plaiting hair, you can video your works. Okay, you can video your works in your place of work and post it on social media, or you can even get these dummy hairs that you guys use. I guess you can use it, set up your camera, do stuff, plate another style, plate one style, plate another one, show people how it is done. These hair stylist contents are very massive on social media now, especially on Facebook, on TikTok. Is very, very massive now. So get to work, video yourself, and upload these things on your social media accounts. You will be glad you did in a few months. Okay, that was the third one. Now, the fourth type of content that will get you monetized fast is what I call the prayer content. Now, these are what most pastors and priests and bishops and whatever they are doing on social media. All their prayers, all their prophecies, all their manifestations, and everything, they upload it on social media. They gain a lot of views. Now, if you're just a prayerful type and you're looking for content that you will create that will make you money on social media, get into the prayer content. That prayer, that's those prayers you make every morning. Pray that prayer. Okay, pray those prayers, and then you can upload those prayers on your pages on social media. It's only a matter of time before your pages will be monetized. Okay, now that was the fourth one. Now, the fifth type of content that you can create that is guaranteed to get you monetized very fast on social media is the movie content. Now, this is what a lot of Nollywood and Hollywood people do right now. They on YouTube, they upload their movies on YouTube and they gain massive views. It's not just a matter of some months, the views will stop coming. This is views that will keep coming and coming and coming, and then their interesting movies will generate thousands and thousands, even millions of views on social media. And the views don't just stop. The views keeps coming. It's a continuous earning process, right? So this is what you need to do. Okay, if you are a movie maker, and then you upload this on YouTube, and then for the other platforms, for TikTok, for Facebook, for Instagram, you cut them into short clips. The interesting parts of your movie, you cut them into short clips and post them on those social media platforms, and you still get a ton of millions of views. Okay, that was the fifth type of content that is guaranteed to get you monetized very fast on social media. And now, The sixth one and the final one that is guaranteed to get you monetized very fast is what I call the quotes content. You see people, maybe they are posting motivational quotes, or wealth quotes or health tips. They are posting these quotes on social media. It is also guaranteed to get your pages monetized, to get your channels monetized very fast. I hope you learned a thing or two from this video. Like, comment, share, and follow me for more exciting videos like this. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.